Let's start with the first person singular.
Je,
Now it is the turn of the second person singular.
tu,
And to finish with the singular personal pronouns, let's see the third one.
il, elle,
Now let's see the first person plural.
on,
Or you can also say,
nous,
we are almost there. Now let's learn the second person plural.
vous,
And the last one, the third person plural.
il, elle.
It wasn't that hard, was it? Do not go yet. Take a second to read the chart so you can memorize them and give us a like, comment and subscribe.